Yo, on this channel I'll be teaching you the most easiest way, most fun way for you to learn Mandarin Chinese. Yeah, now, let's start learning. Buckle up. Hello everyone. Welcome to lesson 36 of Mandarin Chinese. Today we continue learning about the planets. Uranus is called Tian Wang Xing. Tian Wang Xing. Neptune is called Hai Wang Xing. Hai Wang Xing. Venus is called Jin Xing. Jin Xing. Saturn is called Tu Xing. Tu Xing. Now, let's review the words again. Tian Wang Xing. Hai Wang Xing. Jin Xing. Tu Xing. This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment, and also to click the subscribe and notification button. See you next time. Goodbye.